There are many highly effective leadership styles. Every leadership style has a time and a place. The laissez-faire leader, for example, is one who recognises that people have the ability to take the work and just run with it. They are not micromanagers. A laissez-faire leader recognises that that is the optimum style for people who know what they're doing. Now, I know that this sounds very obvious. The truth is that there are some people who do need more guidance. They do need a more hands-on type of leader because they are still learning their position, they are still learning their role, they are still learning the tasks associated with their job. So a laissez-faire style leader is one who really understands that people are already well equipped to do their job and they don't need a lot of interference or interjection from their manager in terms of what they're doing and how they're doing it.